Greetings everyone. This is Sanskar Nagaich, a legal intern in Lexis & Company, and today I am here to discuss the problem about the misuse of SC/ST Prevention and Control Act 1989. In India, we have two marginalized community, that is SC and ST. The Parliament of India has enacted the legislation for the protection of the rights of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe by the enactment of the act, the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocity Act 1989. As of now, this act has prevented various issues that oppress the SC and ST in various ways, but the section of the society for which the act is enacted is using this act for the misuse of it. The Orissa High Court in its recent judgment has reiterated that a charge under section 3 subclause 1 subclause X of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocity Act, as was before the 2016 amendment, shall not be attracted merely because the accused uttered the name of the victim's caste, unless it is done with the intention to insult or intimidate him and to humiliate him for being a member of the SC and ST community. Section 3, Clause 1, Subclause X of the SC/ST Act stands substituted by Section 3, Clause 1, Subclause R of the said Act with effect from January 26, 2016, and it states that whoever, not being a member of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe community, intentionally insult or intimidate with intent to humiliate a member of the Scheduled Caste or a Scheduled Tribe in place within a public view shall be punishable with the imprisonment for the term, which shall not be less than 6 months, but which may extend to 5 years and with fine. While questioning an order, the High Court Judge Radha Krishnan Patnaik relied on the Supreme Court decision in Hitesh Verma versus the State of Uttarakhand and another, which stated that so having regard to the intent and purpose of the law in place, it meant to protect the statutory and constitutional right of the SC and ST community. So for committing an offence under this act requires the intention to insult or intimidate his counterpart in the public at large. So this act was enacted for the protection of minorities, which is now being used by them for oppressing the non-minority class of people. Thank you.